What if I told you someone made $6 million on YouTube just by watching movies and talking about them? No on-camera appearances, no personal vlogs, just simple, engaging movie reviews. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Mystery Recapped, a faceless YouTube channel, has racked up over 1 billion views by reviewing movies in a way that captures viewers' curiosity and keeps them hooked. With minimal production requirements and a smart approach to storytelling, they've turned something as simple as movie recaps into a multi-million-dollar business. If they can do it, why not you? The beauty of this model is that it doesn't require expensive equipment, a team of editors, or even a physical studio. All you need is a clear strategy, a compelling narrative style, and the consistency to produce quality content regularly. Movie recap channels like Mystery Recapped thrive because they offer something viewers crave: quick, digestible summaries of films they love or want to discover, paired with a unique perspective. This goes to show how far a little creativity and effort can take you. You're not just limited to following the exact formula, they've proven the potential. By adding your own twist, your channel could become the next big thing in the movie review niche, earning not just views, but life-changing revenue. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can replicate the success of Mystery Recapped and potentially earn at least $10,000 every single month, or even more, using the same proven strategies. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to grow your existing channel, this guide will break it all down step by step, so make sure to watch until the very end. I'll walk you through the key methods they use to create high-performing content, attract millions of views, and build a sustainable revenue stream. You'll also discover their title secret, a powerful strategy that's responsible for getting them millions of views every month. Titles are more than just a headline. They're the hook that draws people in, and this trick could change the way you think about video creation forever. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and prepare to take notes. By the time you're done watching, you'll have a clear plan to start your own successful channel in the movie recap niche and tap into a growing audience eager for this type of content. Let's dive in. Understanding the potential earnings. First things first, let's break down how Mystery Recapped achieves such massive earnings. If you visit their About section, you'll see they've amassed over 1.5 billion views. Now, if we calculate their earnings at $4 for every 1,000 views, a realistic estimate for this niche, they must have made at least $6 million by now. Isn't that crazy? Now, let's discuss how you can follow the same model and start earning as soon as possible. I'll guide you through every essential step, from starting your channel to outsourcing tasks, creating content, and using automation to make the process easier and scalable. Step 1. Start a channel in the movie review niche. To replicate the success of channels like Mystery Recapped, getting your movie review channel monetized quickly is crucial. Why does this matter? Imagine you upload 30 videos over 2 months and 10 of them go viral, racking up 2 million views. If your channel isn't monetized, you'll miss out on as much as $8,000 in AdSense revenue, money that could have gone straight into scaling your content or improving your production quality. To avoid such losses, starting with a pre-monetized channel is a smart move. These channels are already approved for monetization, allowing you to earn revenue from your very first upload. This approach eliminates months of waiting and helps you avoid losing thousands of dollars in missed opportunities. Now, how do you get a pre-monetized YouTube channel? Thankfully, there are services designed specifically for this. I've personally used one to monetize multiple channels, including the one you're watching now. These services can get your channel monetized in under 7 days, saving you time and frustration. Step 2. Research popular movies. Once your channel is ready, the next step is to find movies with great stories that can captivate your audience. There are 2 primary approaches to this. Research trending movies on platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime. After watching the movie, craft a script based on your understanding of the plot, characters, and themes. This is the approach Mystery Recapped uses, simplifying the movie's story and presenting it in an engaging style. Outsource script writing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Simply search for movie recap scriptwriters and you'll find plenty of talented freelancers who can write detailed summaries for as little as $5 to $10 per movie. This is an affordable way to save time while ensuring high-quality content. Step 3. Record an engaging voiceover. A compelling voiceover is crucial to the success of your channel. It adds a personal touch and keeps viewers engaged. Here are 3 options to consider. Use your own voice. If you've got the confidence and skills to narrate, this is by far the most affordable option. And it gives your content a personal touch that viewers often connect with. Hire a voiceover artist. Not comfortable with narration? No problem. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of talented voiceover artists who can deliver professional quality work. You can even filter by budget with plenty of great options starting as low as $5 to $10. Use AI text-to-speech software. For those on a tight budget or looking for a quick solution, AI tools like Play Heightened provide incredibly realistic, human-like voiceovers. They even offer a free trial, so you can test the waters before committing to a paid plan. This is an excellent option for faceless channels looking to scale efficiently. Step 4. Edit your videos. Video editing is where your script and voiceover come to life. Here's how to handle this step. Do it yourself. If you have basic editing skills, you can edit your videos using software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Be mindful of copyright rules by keeping movie clips under 7 seconds to avoid issues. Outsource the editing. Hiring a professional editor on Fiverr or Upwork is a great option if you lack the time or skills. Many experienced editors can create polished movie recap videos for as little as $10 to $15. Step 5. Craft click-worthy titles. The title of your video is one of the most powerful tools for grabbing attention and driving clicks. Take a page from Mystery Recap's playbook. They masterfully craft titles that ignite curiosity instead of simply stating the movie's name. For instance, their most popular video, amassing over 18 million views, is titled Real Story. 6-year-old boy fought in battles becoming the youngest soldier of World War II. Final thoughts. If you follow this step-by-step strategy, you can create a movie recap channel that generates thousands of dollars every month, or even millions over time. The key is to take action on what you've learned. Most people watch tutorials but fail to implement them. Don't be one of them. Start your journey today, and with consistency and effort, you'll soon see results. If you liked this video, subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next. See you in the next one.